Hi everyone, welcome back to Niecy's Custom. Today we're going to be printing on our Christmas ornaments today using our template that we made on yesterday. What we need is our image, our ornament, pair of scissors, and our heat tape. Okay? Okay, what we're going to do before we put our image on this ornament, on these ornaments right here, they have like a plastic. You have to peel that off, and it usually be on both sides, because if you don't peel that off, your image is not going to come out at all. Okay guys, I had to make a few adjustments to my image. I had this image right here first. It fit, but the edge right here didn't really quite. Now when I look back at it, everything came out right. So, oh well, I probably wasn't holding it right. So I made my image a little bigger. I'm going to take my ornament and I'm going to set it right here on the top of my image. Sometimes if you flip it over, you can see exactly, you probably can't see it, but you can see exactly where everything's going to fall, sorry. So I'm going to take some of my heat tape. I'm going to fold it down like that. And I'm going to do the other end. Fold it down. And I'm going to go ahead and press my image on my ornament. And I will be back. I'm pressing it at 400 degrees, not at 60 seconds, but I'm going to do it for like 55 seconds or 50 seconds. And I'll be right back. Okay, our image already pressed. And let's see the results. See how everything turned out. Okay. That's how our ornament turned out. It looks cute. Oh, you can't see that. Sorry. It turned out real good. Okay, y'all. That is it. You know what I'm about to say? God loves you and I love you too. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe.